Yeah.
No bueno.
No bueno. No bueno. But we're getting back in our stuff. I'm going to start making videos again. I got tons of friends who love cars. We all do the same thing. We have the same passions. So, this guy's got a big Turbo Rex too. That's cocky. Oh, guy.
That's going to be in the videos.
Anyways, let's get the... Let's do the thing. Let's raise the car up and do the thing. None of us know what we're doing, but we kind of watched enough YouTube videos to kind of know what we're doing. So, hey, let's get back on the grind. It's 2020, and that's about it. Let's do it. I forgot. Did we lift up the back or the front first?
It don't matter.
I think the back. No, because if I do one on the other side first, then it squats too much to fit the jack from the front or the back.
I always do my back. eBay HID lights with E36 and oh shit on
In the video, it seems like I'm going really fast, but I literally just spent like an hour getting the wheels off alone. Just alone on the wheels. Like, I'm struggling over here, but we finally got all 4 wheels are off. Label them so I know where to put them back next time. So we're good to go there. So next thing I'm going to do is I got to take out these 2 bolts, take off the adjustable end link for the sway bar, and then transfer over like my ABS sensor and the brake line over to the new strut. But we're going to take this one out first, I guess, and get this done already, because we're
Can you tell me?
I think that's a Subaru thing. They're like, let's add some extra threads, and then
There's like so much on here, like for no fucking reason. Like the little piece that it goes through is only like a 1/4 inch. There's about like 2 inches of threads on this.
we pretty much almost got the front passenger side strut out. Got the top half bolts done, and we got the adjustable front end link almost out. We're pretty much getting somewhere, actually, with one side. He's down to the last bolt, I believe. Oh, we gotta do our ABS, and then we got a bolt over here for my brake line that we gotta loosen, and then we'll be in business taking the first strut out. First strut coming out right now. We're dropping her. Take these 3 nuts off. Oh no. Boom. She's out. That going in the trash. I'll do a little comparison of them both next to each other though too. But boom, first strut, front, driver's side or passenger side is out. Comparison between the two, you can just tell a big size difference. We're gonna get low, boys. We're gonna get real low. But yeah. So I got the top bolts on and not like tightened, but they're on. And I got the front passenger side strut on too. I wish I had more light on here so you could see, but it's in. It's there. Okay.
So you want to take this top bolt off this end link first, so that the sway bar actually drops down, and then you can get to this one down here. Because without it, then this skid plate's in the way. You just can't really get to it.
So yeah, so pretty much you just need to do the top one on the top end link first, just so you can get to access to the bottom end link. With these coilovers, they did come with the new adjustable front end link, so that's why I had to take the stock end link off. And when you're going low, it's just better so there's not a bunch of tension on your sway bar when you do lower your car. I got cuts. He's not the only one dirty
I busted
over here,
my knuckle.
but I mean, he's definitely doing the harder shit.
I definitely am doing This fucker made me lay down on the ground, get this.
We got this one done and ready to come out. 3 top hat bolts. This sucker's coming out. Then we can slip the new one in so we can install the driver's side as well. What are you laughing at, Bad? What did you say?
So just pick up on this, like, once you get it.
Second shred is coming out, boys. Look at
What do you
her.
want me to fucking do? Just move.
3 top hat bolts. And we're getting somewhere. Time to get these. Anybody wants the 2015 BRZ struts? For sale.
Some stock boys.
They'll be on Instagram for sale. Oh yeah, baby.
These things are heavy, dude.
I know. They're fucking gross.
They're heavy compared to the fucking other ones.
Ooh. Ooh, look at your finger. Eesh. Yikes.
Yikes.
Get those out of here. Oh my god. Sir, can you... We're fucking around with a preload on here and kind of mess with this one. They're set from a factory of 2 to 3 millimeters, so we set them back to that because I'm just going to leave it out it came. Adjusted the ride height according to the stock ones, kind of just put them side by side and measured how much drop we did. The guys are working on the back now to get those back struts out, and yeah, we should be throwing the front ones back in again now since we got the everything correct now, I believe. So the boys, shout out to Tyler and Thomas, they got the back strut out, so I wasn't getting barely got it out, but they got it out. The back was a little bit more pain in the ass. We just dropped the lower control arm with I think 3 or 4 bolts, dropped it, took the 2 top hat bolts out from the top, and then you were able to pull the strut out. Was kind of a pain. I didn't get a lot of it recorded just because it is kind of cramped in this area. I'm like in the corner of my garage. But we got it. They're working on the second one right now as we speak. Yeah, he's under there. He's getting it. Yep. That's the stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at.
Oh, yeah.
It's from when I started this, it's probably a few hours already. So if you're doing this, it will take a minute. And the video might look fast, but it's not fast at all. We're struggling over here. This is the only thing keeping us alive. Number 4 is out. Finally. Back half is definitely this guy. You can't see him down there, but he's there. This guy fucking knocked out the lower control arms and got these back struts out for me, so I appreciate you. Boom, that's done. I'm pretty much got the fronts in. I'm putting the front end link up here now. You kind of see it right there. Getting that in, and then we can throw the backs in and adjust the height of those two. Just a little teaser here. Got the back wheel is on, and holy shit! Taking a quick second, I need to go buy a 19mm wrench to go finish my end links because the end links use 19s now. So we're gonna go scoop that, and I'm gonna take you with me. But for now, best place in the world. Oh, it's over here. Walmart. That's where I get all my tools. That's why I don't work. We're going here though. We're gonna get a 19mm wrench. Plug section. Tool section's right over here. Hopefully they have what I need, otherwise we're going to be using some crescent wrenches, you know? You don't want to use crescent wrenches, but hey.
household tool set.
Oh, Dylan, it's your tool set.
It's my tool set.
It matches you. It looks. I need flavor 19. Do they have that flavor here? They got a 19 millimeter flavor.
Yeah, right here, dude.
Okay, do we have to buy a whole set though? Can we just buy like a 19?
Do they have the flavor we need?
I hope so. Is that the flavor?
Oh yeah, 19 right. That's what we need.
Oh, yeah. Is that standard or metric? Come on now, we got Japanese cars here.
I don't know. It says 19.
Oh yeah, that's metric.
Oh, that's MM. Months of the year. Hey, look. No, look.
Because there's nothing
shit's
to tie
moving.
in.
Well, it's moving, but it ain't tying.
Well, whose problem is that, man?
Walmart's.
Which one are you gonna get?
Both of them.
Yeah, I need both of them.
Both.
Really?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Both of them.
I need both of them. Grabbing them both.
Grab
This
them.
hoodie.
Oh, sick hoodie.
It's dirty in the back too, huh?
It's all
It's
fucking
dirty.
dirty. You sound so.
Back from Walmart. We're slowly dying and running out of energy, but we're starting to torque everything down. Like I said earlier, FT speed, got all the torque specs from there, so we're doing that now. I'm pretty sure I got everything buttoned up correctly. The end link over here was kind of a bitch. I hope I said it right. I honestly do not know, but it's set. We got all that done. We're gonna start torquing everything down to its correct torque, and then put the wheels on and see how low we really go. But we're pretty much down to the end link, boys, and we're about done with the BRZ. Thank God. Getting those torques down. On the bottom bolt, I don't have the right tools to do it, so I had to make something with an adapter to an extendo to another adapter to get that last bottom bolt on my strut bar. But that's what we had to do. We made that, and it actually did work. It did clear my fender well. I got it to go all the way over here and get down in here and torque it down. So,
Hey, if it works, it works, alright?
but we got it, and we're torquing it down again. As you see, yeah, you had to add all those on, and we have to go like around the side and kind of around it. We got everything on. With how they are, this is gonna tuck as soon as I drop the car. I think I'm gonna have to adjust this already. It's way too low for the back, at least. I don't know about the front, but we're gonna have to drop the back and see what the outcome is. So somebody record this.
Gotcha.
Watch that drop.
Let's see.
Hold on, Kurt, let me get my camera. Ow, my finger.
Dude, I think we're fine.
Oh my God! Look at this. I'm off the fucking jet. Oh my gosh!
Dude, that's fitted. I don't give a what you say.
Oh my god!
That's fitted.
Kurt, I'll hand the camera over to you, sir.
Holy boys! The
Wait,
fit.
that's not even a finger.
The fit. Did it lower when we Did it go down some?
Yeah.
What the? Oh my god!
Whew! Shit, dude. Alright, so drop the front.
If I was tired before, that kind of amped me up. That I have no words. I have no words. It looks f***ing good.
We should be good for now. We're gonna take it for a test drive, see how it is.
Boys, it is literally almost 4 a.m. and we're still working on the car. I took it for a little test drive. I could not get I was rubbing in the back like any little bump, so I had to fix that. Me and Tyler, we adjusted that now. So we got about almost 2 fingers clearance now. So that should be a lot better. We're gonna go take it for the second test drive now to see if we don't rub in the back anymore, because I didn't really rub in the front, so I feel like this should be good. And I got a little less than like 1.5 in the front. It's finally, let me adjust this. Next day, and the car's done. It's settled. It's finally done. I think I'm kind of happy where it is. I think it's as low as I can go without like every pothole I just rub. But the BRZ is looking good, so I'm gonna give you a little walk around right now. If you guys enjoyed watching me install those coilovers and want to watch more, be sure to check out my channel. Click that subscribe button in the back. Leave a comment, like, dislike, I don't care. Just leave me some feedback. Let me know what I'm doing, what I could do better. Because